Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchi Tech, and today we are going to be unboxing the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, so this is going to be the crystal clear version of the Ultra Hybrid case for the 13 Pro Max. They do offer this in different colors, but today we're going to do the crystal clear for the 13 Pro Max. And as you can see here, I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite, and I decided to go with this case. I bought this case before for the phone, but I didn't keep it for a long time, but because I had multiple cases and I returned that one, but decided to get this case and give it another try. There was nothing wrong with it, but I just had a bunch of cases. I just decided to send some back, and I sent this one back, but now I decided to go give it another try because it was a nice looking case. I didn't have any issues with it, and I'm gonna do an unboxing with this case again. Okay, so before I get into this, if you have an iPhone 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, or a regular iPhone 13, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have all the links in the description so you can make your purchase there if you want to get this case. So whichever model of the iPhone 13 you have, as I mentioned before, whether it's a 13 mini, regular 13, 13 Pro, or the Pro Max, I'm gonna have it all in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead, pop this out the box here, and there we have it. So we got it in the plastic, so let's take this out, put it aside. They're advertising their charging bricks, since we no longer get charging bricks in the iPhone boxes. So here we have the films on here. Before I remove those, we have the power button here, volume up and down, and regular stuff on the case. So let's remove the film from the inside here first. Let's pull that out, and then we're going to remove the one here from the back. And there we go. Okay, but before we jump into this, let me get this out of the way and let's talk about this case now. So now I'm seeing this in person. Now the films are off. Really nice look, nice design. Buttons feels really nice and soft here. Power button, volume up and down, and the silent switch cutout here. And this, in the description, it does have anti-yellowing coating on here, so it should not turn yellow. I'm gonna give this a long-term test, and then I'm gonna do an update on the case to see if that is true or it does still turn yellow. Okay, so I'm not gonna be talking about the case like this for so long. Let's just put it on the phone and get on with it, right? So here we go. Let's snap this on the phone. As you can see, fits really nice and snug here. There we go. Looks really nice on the phone. There it is from the left side. We have our silent switch cutout here. You get really easy access to that. Volume up and down. The Spigen logo here. On the four corners here, you have these little bumpers. Guess it's for protection of the phone if the phone falls on the corners. And on the back here, the camera bump, nice and uniform, not too thick, doesn't go over the cameras too much, just a little bit to protect the phone if you put it down on the back here, or if it falls on the back, or if you put it face down, it's also protected as well. So you can see this lip on the front here does offer good protection for your phone screen. Okay, and the buttons feel really nice and soft and clicky. That's a power button, and then the volume up and down feels really nice and clicky as well. And I definitely would recommend this case if you're in the market looking for a case right now. It's a nice case, beautiful case, and it does show off the color of your iPhone if you're that person who likes to show the color of your phone, which are really pretty much, these colors are beautiful colors. You really want to show that off. But I definitely would recommend this case. And again, it's $14.99 on Amazon, and it does offer like a 5% off coupon that you can apply at checkout. if you decide to purchase this case. Okay, and again, I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can purchase this case for your iPhone 13 mini, 13, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. All right, so let's take another look. Here it is from the right, here it is from the left, the top, bottom, and the back. All right, so hopefully this video helps you out if you're in the market looking for this case and wanted to see a video before you make your purchase. Okay, and one last thing, at the bottom here you can see these little humps right here that protects the middle of the phone if you put it down on the back, so it does raise up the whole interior back part of the phone off the surface. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching, peace.